The beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. Hello everyone, myself Sushila Sanwar, coordinator of Galaxian International School. Today I am here in front of you to tell you about our online classes which we have started for last few months. Actually, we had started our online classes from last year when we all were facing about this COVID-19 pandemic. I am very thankful to our management, teachers, administrator, students and the parents. Because of them, we are able to provide an online classes very successfully. It is very clear that because of this pandemic COVID-19, the education system disrupted, but we keep moving. Virtual learning enables students a new way of learning. And our school that is also provided a new portal to the students. The student, they can access it at any time. The teachers, they are uploading videos, images, important notes and homework in this portal along with their online classes. The disadvantaged students, they can also access it at any time by arranging mobile phones for them, because all the videos and lectures, they are available here at any time. And because we believe that we keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things, because we are curious and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. Our parents and the students, they also want to put forth their point of view on this topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita Nelwal, the student of Galaxian International School. Would like to appreciate the hard work and efforts of our teachers in providing a better quality of education in this COVID-19 pandemic.
I am a father of Miss Nikita Nelwal. I like to thanks to the teachers and school management for their admirable method of education in this COVID-19 pandemic through the best quality online classes and lecture on the ERP. Even my daughter is taking a lot of interest in this work provided by you and putting a lot of efforts to complete it on time.
So I am very thankful to our teachers who are encouraging children even by staying at home and taking measures for their bright future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Arzu Senwal. I am a student of Galaxian International School and today I am here to share my experience about how the online classes that our school is providing us have been. Like for me personally, the experience about the online classes is quite nice, I would say. I think that online classes are the best option that we students as well as teachers can prefer during the time of this COVID-19 pandemic. Students can go through their lectures that are uploaded by our teachers in our student portal anytime and as many times we want. Live classes are conducted on a daily basis where we can interact with our teachers and ask about any issue that we are facing, and that's a good thing about it. At last, I would say that if we will be consistent towards our studies, I think these classes are definitely gonna act in our favor and will be a matter of benefit for us. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello, I am Shivani Rathi of Galaxian International School. As we all know that coronavirus pandemic has affected education system worldwide. Educational institutions had to adjust their teaching practices through online mode. Education had been changed dramatically during lockdown. I am sure no one would have ever think that academic year would end like this. Online classes or virtual classes comes with its own concern and challenges. It could be something which we see more often in our near future. My school too started online classes during this lockdown period. Online classes or virtual classes are kind of different and unique one. No doubt, online classes are really good method of teaching. During this period of a lockdown, our teachers started online classes to continue the studies of students. Each and every student and teacher is given their best to make everything and every concept clear. All our teachers are trying their best to make our concept clear, and after explaining the lesson in online class, Teacher provided notes, video, lecture in an online platform known as ERP. There we got all the information related to our fees, attendance and online exam. We had online exam on basis of what we have done in our previous lecture or in previous class. Teachers are being very helpful for us, and they have created official and unofficial WhatsApp group so where we can clear all our doubts without hesitation. I would like to thank my teacher, my school system for
to all, myself Mr. Mukesh Negi, father of Vanshika Negi, 12th Commerce, and Anshika Negi, 5th B of Galaxy International School. During this hard times of COVID-19 pandemic situation, the offline classes are not being held, so the online classes are being done by school. My children can do learning or can attend their online classes easily at home, and there is a big hand of help in the education of my children by ERP portal app. They can also see their lecture at any time and can do their work on time. They can also do learning by many type of educational app. Parents can also submit their fees by Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, Bharat Pay for safety of children. With these small words, I end up my speech, thanking you all, principal, coordinator, staff members of Galaxy International School.
Hello, myself Sanya Karki and I am from Galaxy International School, Dehradun. As we all know that we all are suffering from pandemic called coronavirus, which has resulted in shutdown and curfew throughout the country. It has been very tough for all of us to survive in the days of lockdown. Also, COVID has affected our study system. Being a student, it was very tough for me to adapt whole online education system which was preferred by the government, because it was something new that never happened before. So, today I am here to talk about my online classes which are provided to all of us from our school. Online classes. These are the types of virtual classes in which we learn each and everything online. To be honest, our online classes have been less complicated as our teachers had tried their best to make our approach easy. We are having our online classes on regular basis from 10 AM to 12 PM in my standard. Teachers have set different timings for different standards so that they can avoid the problem of students who are having only single mobile phone. And if in case someone isn't able to attend his or her class, we are having a online platform called ERP in which our teachers keep updating our chapter-wise lecture, homework and test. We are having our online test in ERP. From learning things in online classes to appearing in tests to submitting our homework and notebook work to our teachers has been really very helpful and highly active. Also, our school has created a WhatsApp group in which we keep in touch with our teachers. And our teachers are conducting home activities and then checking our activities in online classes to make us feel interested and active. Our teachers are working really hard. The online classes were tough for us as well as for the teachers. Whenever we had any problem related to our ERP or online platform or our classes, our teachers were there to help us. So, at last, a big thank you to all of my teachers who have been working for us since the COVID started. And a thank you to our school system. All of this thing was something new to learn. It creates a little bit of trouble at starting, but it is really amazing. So, be punctual in your online classes. Stay safe, stay in home. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Sakshi Negi from class 12 science. Today I am here to convey my thought towards the online classes which are held in all over India due to pandemic COVID-19. As we all know, online classes during lockdown is very much necessary during this corona time. The student now being tough through this online mode only. All teachers are giving their best and motivate all the students to joining of online classes. During this lockdown period, students and teachers are far away from each other. Many of the students are missing their teachers, their classmates, their friends so much. The teachers are making a group of students on WhatsApp, then send a link to join a various online meeting apps like Zoom app, GeoMeet, Google Meet, etc. The teacher then share their screens with students and many of various topics. It can be audio as well as a video. They also explain different chapters on various subjects. The teachers are really giving time which is applicable. They are trying to clarify and verify the doubts of students even though the live chattings. To make every student best in online classes is.
Hello everyone, I Khushbu Kashyap from Direction International School, present here to tell you more about online classes. As we all know that today we all are facing a big pandemic called coronavirus. Because of this pandemic, government has started a new way of studying from home, and that is virtual classes. These are the classes by which we can interact with our teachers by virtual method. It means that we can take our classes with the help of internet. Teachers of our school are very punctual and active towards their teaching. They give their all possible efforts to make our classes in this interesting and understanding. I am very glad to have these teachers in our school. They always used to motivate us for our activities and help us in every situation. And personally, I am getting a benefit of online classes. So that I just only want to say, if our teachers are showing and giving their 100%, so we should also appreciate them and give our 100%. I am very thankful of all the teachers of my school. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. Myself Gaurav Rawat and I am from class 12 science, and today I am here to convey my thoughts towards online classes that are holding all over the India due to pandemic COVID-19. Teachers are doing hard work to provide a proper environment of school in online classes, but students are not participating regularly in online classes since they think that it is not worth of their time, but they are wrong. Teachers are doing excellent in their jobs, and if we students join the class regularly and support our teachers, it will be beneficial for all of us, and the hard work of teacher will not be ruined. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Vanshika Negi. I study in class 12 Commerce and my school name is Galaxian International School, and today I am going to deliver a speech on topic that is online education system. Online education system has many advantages and disadvantages at the same time. Due to the current situation of COVID-19 in our country, the online education system has prevailed from past 1 year. We have become very familiar with the online education system. The coming of the new technologies of online education system have made our learning more suitable. Now we can learn at our home with the help of our teachers and friends. We can continue our studies even in the worst times. While sitting at home, we can learn through online education apps like CBSE Guide app and many more. The online education system has developed new skills and upgradation of the children's have developed their mind and enhanced their creativity skills and answer a higher thinking skills questions more efficiently and in an effective manner. This system keeps us updated, and due to ERP portal system, we can see our past day lectures and complete our work on time. Thank you. Due to online education system, my parents are also happy with this. They said that there is no extra cost involved and there is maximum safety of children's and they can learn through e-learning and online educational apps. Thank you.